It does what I wanted it to do. It cuts everything out. It cuts it out cleanly. So that's how I got into the WAZER Pro. And it cuts through an amazing variety of materials. There are things that I would never have considered using that I can now easily use. I'm Lance, and we have LaForge, and we primarily do swords and knives, but we also do games and copper roses and artwork, a variety of things at Renaissance festivals. My wife does a lot of work in copper, and it's really astounding for the copper. Every other method we have for cutting it is very, very difficult and time-consuming.
It cuts my time in half for like verse production.
And this time of year, we're going through roses as fast as we can fill the baskets up. I'm not running out of stock, so I can make more sales. We feel like we're going to be able to recover more and more, and copper's getting increasingly expensive. In that area, we would be saving. The way that we used to do guard is I can take a complex piece of metal and then cut a slot, like a U-shaped slot, and slide that on. If you do these things with a plasma cutter, it's sloppy. Now, I can take pieces of metal and cut a slot cleanly through there that the handle slides through, and as you can see, it can be crazy shaped worked pieces of metal. But I see more materials, more things I can do, capabilities I didn't have that would give me more product lines. It also means not desperately needing, I wish I had 5 more employees. So many more things that you can just do and not have to charge huge amounts of money. This is a huge improvement to the business. If it takes a long time to build something, you have to charge a lot and then nobody buys it. You see these agate chimes that we've got hanging here? We cut heart shapes and things out of the agate, and we're combining copper and stone together. That sort of mixed medium where you've got access to materials you couldn't use before is part of what we want to get doing. The WAZER just makes doing it so much easier and better.